Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Oh, Tuffy, where you at now? Where you living?
Liver spoilers.
Would you do a bar work?
What?
You would do a bar work?
Not at this point in time.
Okay, so you're refusing job. Tuffy.
I'm not refuse no job, but I'm not refuse no job. I'm not refuse no job. No job, I'm not refuse.
You say not at the
But
moment.
not at this point in time.
The baby is out well, Tuffy. The baby have
The
5
baby
months.
have 5 months.
So what you basically say, you can't work because of the baby.
No, I'm not saying I can't work not because I'm a baby. I'm just not doing no bar work.
If you get 15,000 every week.
I'm not doing no bar work. No bar work at all.
Tuffy, you're dealing with me on the line. You're not doing no what? What you say?
I'm not doing no bar work.
Where's just a while ago, Tuffy? Just say that one more time at me here.
But say,
Yo,
in all due respect of manners, I'm not doing no bar work. I can't force me to do no bar work.
You know, cut your face, say them outside and you say, big international
steady,
you're definitely not over here watch them live, yeah. And you what? Listen to me, Tuffy, me not bring it down. Me love your son, so I go come off here. Me not have nothing more to say. Just simple as say, me have a job offer for you, and me go make you get a job there to ease off little pressure. Then Tuffy turn down the world.
Me not do no bar work, any other else work, but no bar work.
Okay.
No bar work. Any other else work, but no bar work. Me not working on a bar. Bar, me got jail already, cause when the man them drunk, then they understand themselves. You know, and when time I work in a bar, people feel like say you're dog shit and them something that I'm not taking
no, it's how you carry yourself, baby.
I carry myself good.
No, I never said no. You said some people treat you like dog shit and they have you like us.
I say, when I work in a bar, and when them drunk, them want liable for touch, and when them touch, and you say, hey, don't run for me.
If you set yourself
alright, cheese, I'm not gonna go there, so. I'm not doing a bar work and the argument close and finish and over. I'm not doing a bar work. If I other work, if I janitorial work or any other work, yes, I'm up there, but I'm not doing no bar work.
Tuffy, you're not doing no type of work.
I prefer working on wholesale more than a bar work.
No, any other job you're not going to do it same way. Because you don't
listen now, you can't tell me that. You can't think to me.
I'm begging you something, please. You like to beg. Tuffy,
I don't care what you want to say. I don't care what you want to say. I don't care what you want to say. Me that prefer do a wholesale work more than a bar work.
Listen to Tuffy, man. We know you no mama, and of course you come by yourself. You see, if we never know you and know you with the same profile,
yeah, I will tell you the honest truth. Love and no disrespect.
No.
I'm telling you something. I'm tell you something, cheese. That's if I'm tonight. I'm not come for no more life come there because they say
that more you do, more you go look at.
But listen, I'm telling you something. You see true Lava and my son and the whole media have me away. They want put my son under the bus and just run over him. You understand me? I say, I don't like them things, yeah. I don't come over here for that.
Get that little boy name out your mouth.
But, then I'm a son and have a judgment. I'm a son and have a judgment.
No,
then I want to do because if you not, listen up, if you not deal with me, so that means I'm a son and not deal with stuff.
The truth, my eye. Eh? But don't I. We just have been straight up one. We're going to talk when the found.
No, but listen. If you go wait me and they Anna tell me certain things.
Tell you
what? Listen up. If you son never help my son, I'm not going to throw me under the bus. Lava, I'm going to call you out for the life and say something to you. Yeah?
See you now.
See your brother y'all call my phone. So me got see your brother y'all call my phone. Lava. I'm hang him up. Certain reason why I cannot wait me in the year, Lava.
Okay.
Me no business on nobody wants to not doing no bar work. I would prefer working at wholesale the 8,000 a week more than working at a bar. Don't tell me about working at a bar. You can't just tell me about that. I could have $15 million and I could save my life. I'm not working on a bar. I'm not doing it.
Okay.
I'm not working on a bar. I'm not working on no bar.
Now I have nothing more to say.
All right. Steady. Big up.
Right this
While we upon the father, call the father.
Father will never come. I bet any blood clot man say that man not coming out here. Watch and see. When you go and wait in vain, cause that man not coming out. Watch and see. I'm looking at the lava. There is so much more I want to say, but you see through the jobs involved. Me not gonna say it tonight. I'm going to catch your blood clot, Terry. Later. Hey, wait there.
Jeez.
For all of who, well, I'm not going to wait live. I say for all of who have a problem with what me I say, me I gonna just be me till the day me dead. Someone of fake like China gold. Oh, and little bit of rinsing cream on the strip. Right there, so later.
Damn. Damn.